Hi, so in this video we're going to expand two brackets and then three brackets. So we're going to first of all expand 3x plus 5 times 2x minus 3. So writing that out. Now one way to do it is to say that this is 3x times 2x minus 3 plus 5 times 2x minus 3. And then to expand each bit term by term. So 3x times 2x will give me 6x squared. So it's 3 times 2, which is 6, x times x, which is x squared. And then 3x times minus 3 will give me minus 9x, plus 5 times 2x will give me 10x, and then 5 times minus 3 gives me minus 15. So we will have 6x squared, and then we're going to collect the like terms together. So these are like terms, minus 9x plus 10x will just give me plus x. We don't normally write the 1 in, minus 15, and that's the answer. 6x squared plus x minus 15. Now when we've got three brackets, we need to take two of them, expand them first, and keep one out. So I'm going to keep the x plus 2, and then I'm going to expand x minus 3, x plus 3. Now there is a shortcut to expand that, and I'll look at that in a minute. But if I did the same as I did in the previous part, I'm going to do x times x plus 3 minus 3 times x plus 3. I've still got that out here because I haven't expanded it there, so I'm still going to write it again. And then I'm going to do x times x, which is x squared, x times 3, which gives me plus 3x, minus 3 times x, which gives me minus 3x, minus 3 times plus 3 gives me minus 9. Make sure you change the sign. Now you might notice that the 3x and the minus 3 cancel out, so you're just left with x squared minus 9. Now you might recognize this as the expansion of a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, where a is x and b is 3. And notice we've got a squared, which is x squared, and then we've got 3 squared, which is 9. So this would have been perhaps a quicker way to expand these two brackets here. Now we're going to expand this and this, so we're going to do x times x squared minus 9 plus 2 times x squared minus 9. So x times x squared was going to give me x cubed. X times minus 9 gives me minus 9x, plus 2 times x squared, which gives me 2x squared, and then 2 times minus 9 gives me minus 18. We're just going to rewrite this a little bit by swapping these two over. So it's x squared plus 2x squared minus 9x minus 18. So each of the terms sort of going down, descending terms of powers of x. So this has been a video to show you how to expand two brackets and three brackets. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.